Hey there! In this short tutorial, we're going to quickly review using text inside of Blaze Designer. I have a couple of elements that I've already added to the canvas here inside of Blaze Designer, and I'm going to add some text. Notice the text category at the top of the screen. By simply selecting it, you'll bring up the text side panel. With the side panel open, clicking the button at the very top will add an unstylized text box to the canvas. I don't want that though, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove it. If you have brand styles set up, you can also add title or body text in your brand font to the canvas by clicking the corresponding add button next to either the title or body text category. Underneath that are some pre-designed style templates that you can add to the canvas by simply clicking them as well. You can add as many text fields to your canvas as you want. Simply repeat the process. When you add style text to your canvas, the text, font, color, borders, shadows will all be created on the canvas at the time that you click the style. The background color, however, of the sample style that you've selected is just there to give you an idea to make the text pop. It's not going to be transferred. I'm going to go ahead and add the edge style to the canvas. The text is already pre-selected on the canvas, so to edit the text, simply double-click it and make your changes. Clicking off of the text box will confirm your changes. You can simply click and drag the text around your canvas to reposition it, or you can also use the handles around the bounding box shown here to adjust the size. And consistent with all things on the canvas, when you select something, you'll see a list of options pop up above the item that you selected, things like copy, delete, and then there's even some more options here hiding behind the ellipses. On the side panel, you can see more options like font, size, weight, alignment, color, border, shadow, rotation, and even order. There's a lot here. Speaking of order, regardless of which side menu you're in, if you click the back arrow shown here, you'll access the layer stack. And this is another view that will show you all of the items on your canvas inside of Blaze Designer. Layers on the top of the stack will appear in front of your design. Layers on the bottom of the stack will appear in the back of your design. By simply clicking and dragging the layers around, you can adjust the order to best suit your design idea. So that's all there is to using text inside of Blaze Designer. Make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on all the ways that Blaze can help you grow your business.